Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I have here another light from ThruNite. I haven't done one from ThruNite in a while, but they wanted to send me this one here, which is really unique compared to any of the other ones that I've done. So we're going to take it out of the box here and check it out. Check it out of the box here. There's the manual for it. Here is the light. What else we got here? We have a USB to USB-C charging cable, and that will be it. So this is the light itself. So this is the ThruNite Defender 3-in-1 EDC flashlight. And basically what it is you have a regular flashlight, a laser light on here, so a laser beam, and then you also have a UV light, which people use this to identify invisible stains. Comes in handy for that. People use it for, I know, for dog urine, crime scenes, different things will show up by UV. You can kind of just look up online and see what things you can detect with UV light. Okay, so if you look at the end, you can see right here, this is just our standard LED. Right here, this center one, this is going to be the laser. It's a green laser. And then over here is our UV LED light right here. That's why being laser is why we have this little warning over here, danger. You can see right there. So another cool thing is, instead of just having a button like a lot of them, but you can choose. So over here we have lock, and then the second position here we have our standard LED light. Right here it has the laser. It shows a little icon there, and over here it says UV. That's our UV light right there. Here's our indicator right here showing our battery level. You can see when I tap it once, it goes up and shows us our battery level, which is 4, so fully charged right now. So pretty much what we do is locked. We're not going to do anything no matter what we do, turn it off or on. We're not going to do anything. But if we put it on LED, then that LED is going to come on. We put it right here, which is the green laser. Push it. I hope you guys can see that. I can, but I'm not sure if the camera picks it up. Shining on that wall right next to that tree. You can see it on the tree. So it's pretty bright out here, but I didn't know how the camera would pick it up. Darker, I'm sure when I show it at night, it will show up a lot better. So you can see it shining here on my hand, and then you can see it on the wall like that. And then over here we have the UV LED right here, which don't look like so much either during the day out here, but it is UV. Okay, and then strobe, we just triple click this button, and there we have strobe. So pretty bright in strobe. It's a little bit slower strobe than I've seen before, but it's still a pretty cool strobe. Just like that. It is black anodized aluminum, and on the sides here it has some nice grips, and this actually works really good instead of being just slick, because this is really slick. When you got something that's black anodized like aluminum, it's really slick, but with these grips, it makes a big difference. One thing I like about this light is it's so thin, you can just slide this right in your pocket. Where, normally a round light, it don't work very good in your pocket. This being so thin, it does. And we also have this double style clip that ThruNite is so famous for. They got the clip this way and the clip this way. So basically, if you're going to clip it over your belt, you use this clip this way, slide it down over your belt, kind of like if I was to do it here. Slide it like this, just like normal, over a belt or your pants, whatever, and you hang it there. Or if you're putting it on something else like a bill of a hat, say this is the bill of your hat, you slide it on like this, and then you can shine forward by putting this on your hat. And this is just thin too, so don't look too gaudy on your hat like that. And we also have a magnet. This table happens to be metal, so it sticks pretty good. So yeah, this is really cool. And it shows right here, ThruNite Defender on this end, and shows you that this is magnetic right there. So over here on this side, this is our USB-C. right here to charge it with. So we can just plug this in, the USB-C into here, the standard USB, to any USB 5-volt power brick, portable power supply, your car charger, your house charger, whatever, a little power bank, pretty much anything will charge this up. Okay, so as far as the different intensities, what you do is instead of pushing it each time to change intensities, if you push this and hold this down, it'll cycle through the three. Right there's low, medium, high, just by holding it. Or I can just hold it and it'll keep going through them. You can see high, medium, low. And then if we double tap this, we go to turbo mode, which is the super bright. And you can do turbo mode from any mode. So if we're on regular flashlight, if we're on the LED laser, then we can tap it too. We go into turbo. If we are on the ultraviolet, double tap it, we still go into turbo. So you can go there from any mode at any time. If you need turbo, double click that, you're going to have the power. And then we have Firefly, which is holding this down. And that is the super lowest of low right there. You can see how dim that is looking into the camera. It's not much, but in an emergency situation where you need a little bit of light and you want it for a long time, that would be handy. So let's go through the modes here. First off, as far as Firefly, that's only 1 lumen, guys. 17 days. That is a long time. If you was desperate for light and have a little bit of light, meant life or death, 17 days, guys. Okay, so low power, which is when we turn this on, low power is 22 lumens and will last 59 hours. Medium, hold that down again, that is 95 lumens and lasts 9 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, and then over here we have high, hold that down again, there's high, 420 lumens, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So that's still a long time for high power. And then, of course, when we double click it, there is our turbo. So turbo, the super bright, is 1600 lumens. And then after a little bit of time, so it don't get too hot, it'll drop down to 450 lumens. And it says 1 hour and 53 minutes. Okay, so there you go. That's the rest of it. You want to actually pause and you can read all that right there. But that's pretty much it as far as specs. It does say here that the distance of the throw on this is 139 meters max. The intensity is 4,880 candelas. Impact resistant 1.5 meters. Waterproof IPX7. So yeah, let me show you this magnet. So as far as sticking it on with this magnet, you can see there, pretty strong. If you want to just stick it on something and say you want to work on something, you could stick that thing there like that and work on something. Super cool. Now this one doesn't come with a hand lanyard or nothing, wrist strap, and I don't see why you would need it. You just take this thing, either slide it in your pocket, over your pocket, or over your bill of your hat, and that's pretty much what it's made for. Super cool. Let's take this thing out in the dark and try it out. Okay, here we are out here tonight, and it is actually, it's about a 3/4 moon. But we're out here at night. Got it on lock mode right now. Turn it on regular flashlight here. There's my dog Cricket. We're out here trying it out at night, and flashlight's pretty bright. Let's see what mode we're on. If we hold the button down, you probably can't see here, but you hold the button down, it'll cycle through the modes. There, medium, high. And when you turn it off, so if, say we're in low there, there's medium, turn it off, it stays in that mode, so it has like memory. Remembers where it was the last time you turned it off. There's high, which is pretty bright. And of course, that's not turbo. We can double click it here, and we got turbo. Look at that, man. For a little old bitty light, this thing is amazing. It does a super job. So, yeah, and I did notice one thing too. So say I go to laser mode here. If I double click it, then I automatically go to the light on. When the light's on, we can see that right there, but the laser is on too. so I can have both on at the same time. So now we have just the laser on. And the laser is actually, man, that thing's powerful. I'm shining it way over here in these trees, and it's shining just as far as I can see. I'm shining it over here across the road at the neighbors. Yeah, you can see it. Hopefully you can see that right there. Top of the screen, I'll do some circles so you can see it. That's on their building, and that's a long ways over there. So yeah, really good there. We'll put this back on the on mode. Just the flashlight mode. Pretty cool. And we also have the UV. Now, UV is good for some different things. It's good for like counterfeit money. It's used to find things like pet urine and stuff you can see with it. They use it in crime scenes for forensic stuff. But here is the UV mode. Now, it's not very bright. It actually looks brighter on the camera than it does to me looking at it on the ground out here. We'll see if what it lights up out here. Different kinds of even plants will glow different with UV light on it. I don't know how good you guys, but some of those sticks glow. Some of them don't. So certain things in UV will stand out. But it's used for a lot of different things. I've never actually used a UV light, but it might come in handy one of these days. I like the light, how simple this is to use. Just turn the little jog dial and you can go to each mode. Then you have, of course, the lockout mode. To lock it, turn it on. And in that low, I can actually see, I'm out here, and I can actually see pretty good out here in the total darkness with the lowest level there. And then we have the strobe. That's a slower strobe than some I've seen, I think. But it's a cool strobe. It looks really bright. You can see how it lights up everything, just like, you know, like gangbusters right there. So you can see that it just lights up everything really good. So we'll go back to on. And the cool thing is, probably even in strobe, we go to strobe. Yeah, if we double click it, we're still going to go back into flashlight or turbo because we got it on. We go low, medium, high, double click, turbo. That turbo, guys, is super bright. This little old light has some super power. And you really can't beat it. USB-C rechargeable, has UV light, has LED flashlight, has laser. And man, I mean, it puts out some power. It really lights it up there. Look at the trees. So the good thing about out here, the snakes ain't out too much this time of year. It's cooling down and the snakes don't like it. So, but out here we have rattlesnakes. In Missouri we had the copperheads. So kind of ain't no different. They're all poisonous. And when you're out messing around in the dark, you want a good flashlight, especially in the woods or off out in the brush like this. But this one, as far as seeing through brush, it really puts the light out. So it's really good in something like this. If you're looking around, a good little flashlight to carry with the belt clip on it. I think this one here would actually be better instead of using it on the belt. Just slide it in your pocket because it's flat and thin like that. It's going to be really nice. Come back on here, low, medium. But for most situations, to make your battery last, that low is plenty bright to see by for most stuff. Now, you wouldn't want to be out here if you're worried about a snake or something on low. You would probably want to put it at least a medium or a high. You don't need turbo. Turbo, if you want to save your battery, don't be running turbo all the time. But, you know, if you're coming up and messing around a brush pile where there could be a copperhead or rattlesnake or something, this thing's going to see it. So, yeah, this is super cool. So, like I said, I think my favorite feature, because I have tons of flashlight on this one, is the laser. You can use this for a pointer, you know, not just for outdoors like this, but you could use it for a pointer if you're doing demonstrations or something. Okay, let's put this on this This is a tent, basically, shelter, kind of like a shed. Really lights that thing up. But even though there's trees, you see those trees over there, it really lights it up. Let's turn on the regular flashlight. That's on high, low, medium, high. It's fast. If you hold it down to go the different modes, it's real fast when it changes. You gotta be careful. Medium, high, low, and then turbo. Right there. Wow. Turbo on this little bitty light is definitely putting out some power. So that's impressive. I mean, you can see up in the trees. We still got green leaves on our trees here in Arizona. We haven't had no cold weather yet. Not real cold. Not cold enough to lose the leaves anyway. The mesquite trees there. But yeah, so I'm digging it. I like it. I like the laser. Laser's cool. UV, that's something I don't know that I use. But if it comes a time when I need a UV, I'll have it on this little light. And I don't have any other UV light, so I think it's going to be pretty handy. There's the UV light. See how it kind of blues the screen when I go to the screen? Yeah. And you can see when I turn that on, see I can check the battery just by pushing this. Show my battery percentage. I got 3 bars right now. So you just press it once. There you can see the battery percentage. It's 4 bars, I guess. Yeah, 4 bars. Or 4 dots, I guess you would say. But this is super impressive. Okay, guys, there you go. That is the ThruNite Defender 3-in-1 EDC flashlight. Really cool that it has the green laser, and as you can see, the green laser is powerful. Really works good. Also, that it has the UV. Like I said, I've never known that I've needed UV for something, but if you ever do, it's pretty cool that you'll have a flashlight, a UV light, a laser light, all in one. And just keep this thing charged up and you ever need those functions, and it will come in handy someday. So very cool. I like its anodized aluminum. The black looks good. Just the size of it, you can see there's my hand. So it's not a big light at all. Put that right around your hand and just fits perfectly. But guys, thank you all for watching. I will post a link where you can check this thing out. Super cool little flashlight from ThruNite. So the link will be in the description. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.